This video is to show you how to properly test a ground bolt on a fuel trailer. Select Diode on your digital voltmeter. Put the red lead on pin 10. Put the black lead on pin 9. And you should get between 0.485 and 0.7 volts. Reverse the leads and put black on 10 and red on 9, and your meter should read OL or OF. That is a good ground bolt. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at DixonValve.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.